Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to build a battle bus station in Lego Fortnite. Let's begin. Start by collecting the required Lego bricks. Use a mix of blue, gray, and black pieces to match the Fortnite battle bus theme. Begin with the base structure of the station. Lay out a flat rectangular platform using larger bricks for stability. Add side walls using smaller gray bricks to shape the bus bay area. Next, create the roof. Use flat black pieces and attach them above the side walls to cover the station. Make sure the roof slightly overhangs to give a realistic look. Place transparent bricks in the front section to serve as windows. This adds detail and makes the station appear more like the in-game version. Now, move on to the battle bus. Assemble the body using blue bricks. Attach 4 small wheels underneath. Use a gray flat piece for the front bumper. Stack blue and black bricks to form the upper part of the bus. Don't forget to add a balloon or antenna on top for that Fortnite signature style. Finally, place the bus next to the station platform. Adjust the angles for a dynamic display. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.